The first time I noticed the ringing, I was stationed overseas, surrounded by the chaos of combat. At the time, I chalked it up to the aftermath of an explosion too close for comfort. I thought it would go away, but years later, as a civilian, the sound never left. It followed me like a ghost, a constant, high-pitched whine that made me feel like I was still on the battlefield, even in the quietest moments. I tried to ignore it at first. I told myself I'd faced worse things in my life and I could handle a little noise. But tinnitus isn't just noise. It's an all-consuming, relentless intruder that seeps into every aspect of your life. Conversations with my wife, Lisa, became strained because I couldn't focus on her words. Family dinners with my kids turned into torturous events as the ringing drowned out their laughter. Nights were unbearable. The silence of our bedroom only amplified the sound, and I lay awake, staring at the ceiling, consumed by frustration. I felt trapped, like I was losing pieces of myself. I'd spent my life serving my country, pushing through pain and adversity, but this constant, inescapable sound was defeating me. I became irritable and withdrawn. I stopped going to the gym, stopped attending veterans support meetings, and avoided outings with friends. Even Lisa started to look at me differently, concern etched into her face every time she tried to connect with me, and I pulled away. Doctors offered little help. They said tinnitus wasn't curable and suggested things like white noise machines and therapy. I tried everything: diet changes, supplements, even acupuncture. Nothing worked. Each failure chipped away at my hope. I began to believe this was my life now, a life of endless noise and isolation. Then one sleepless night, scrolling through my phone, I came across an ad for something called Quietum Plus. Normally, I would have dismissed it as another scam. But something about the testimonials resonated with me. The stories of others who had suffered like me, who had tried everything and finally found relief, struck a chord. I hesitated but decided to order it. What did I have to lose? I have linked Quietum Plus in the description below, so get some today. When the package arrived, I didn't expect much. I started taking the capsules daily, more out of routine than hope. The first week passed without any change, and I braced myself for yet another disappointment. But then, one morning, something remarkable happened. Sitting on the porch with my coffee, I realized the ringing wasn't as sharp. It was still there, but it felt distant, like it was retreating. Over the next few weeks, the improvement continued. The noise faded further each day, and moments of complete silence began to appear. Precious, fleeting moments that brought tears to my eyes. For the first time in years, I could hear the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the sound of my kids' laughter without the interference of that awful ringing. It felt like I had been released from prison. Lisa noticed the change immediately. I started smiling more, laughing at jokes, and engaging with my family again. One evening, as we sat on the couch watching a movie, she turned to me and said, "It's good to have you back." Her words hit me like a wave, and I realized how much I had been missing, not just in sound, but in life. Quietum Plus didn't just give me relief, it gave me my life back. I started going to veterans meetings again and shared my story with others. I saw the hope in their eyes as I talked about my journey. I encouraged them to try it, to not give up on finding their own solutions. It felt good to help, to give back to a community that had supported me through so much. Now, months later, I wake up every day feeling grateful. The silence that once eluded me is now a gift I cherish. I can focus on my family, my hobbies, and my future without the constant distraction of tinnitus. Quietum Plus didn't just take away the ringing, it gave me a second chance at life. And for that, I'll always be thankful. Are you ready to rediscover the peace and quiet you deserve? Don't wait another moment to take back control of your hearing and mental clarity. Click the link in the description below to get your Quietum Plus today. Experience the calm, focus, and confidence that come with a healthier you. Your journey to a quieter, more peaceful life starts now to peak and thrive. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your transformation story with us. Let's silence the noise together.